Good morning or good afternoon, everybody. My name is Matthew Driver here with Grace Stafford and Assam. We're doing Deal Chasers. Next slide. For our agenda today, we'll be going over app's purpose, desired functions, design idea and task analysis results, design the sitemap, prototype, usability study, and usability study results and recommendations.
We wanted to come up with something that everybody could use, predominantly college students in the area. Our goals were to make it really easy, efficient, and users as well to help find new places and for people to just be able to go out and enjoy everything at a reasonable price. Next slide. For the task analysis and design, homepage tracks the user's current location and generates bars and restaurants with deals nearby. We went deal by day, location, and once a user finds something that they would like and probably would like to share with their friends, they could save it, and it saves the deals that they discover or that have similar ones.
So this was the design we came up with. It's going to be this like our sitemap. So we have like the main page is going to track like where you are currently. So that's going to show like just deals near you within like a certain radius. And then you can choose to search either by deal by day. And that you can click on the bottom and it goes to like every day of the week. Once you pick that, then it'll organize all of the deals on that day by the location in Columbia. Or you can do it by the location. So if you want to go out in like 5 points, you'll click that and then it'll show you the best deals as well as organize it by the day in that location. And then once you click on a deal, you can it'll tell you like where it is, what day it is, what time, and then like some more information about it. And you can either save it to your user page or you can share it via, text message to your friends. And then you have your user page, which will show the deals you have saved. And then also kind of like ones, if you like tacos a lot, it'll give you some taco deals as well, things like that. And then we did a prototype, so we made it functional, and then we gave it to 8 different subjects, different age ranges, with different backgrounds, so that way we could further understand what problems would arise when they were using the app. We gave them just basically a list of tasks to complete and then like a questionnaire about how their satisfaction was, what they would add. And it was really cool to see like the things that overlapped and then different ideas that they had with it. So it helped us further understand how we could make it better and just obviously the problems that came up with it.
For the usability study results and recommendations, with this, you got a simple interface design that was effective. And now what I saw when I demonstrated it to some of my military buddies at my unit, some of them found it was pretty easy, and some that were not computer illiterate, they didn't think it was clear enough. For instance, there was an example in which I had asked to go to your saved bar deals or whatever, and they wanted to go to the calendar. So this was something that we had to kind of think about, how can we make this better? And for instance, this is, of course, as age, and if you're more literate, you'll more understand that, hey, it's in my profile. Now, overall users, they were satisfied and they found the design was easy to use. Recommendations that we received, a feature to change from current location, adding the restaurant bars, COVID restrictions as well, and peak houses that are at their busiest moments, and pictures of the restaurants and the actual bars themselves. Next slide. So in conclusion, we found that the Deal Chaser is an application that target audiences in need of want to use. After testing a prototype, we found that our simple user interface design is effective in letting users complete functions efficiently as well as understand how the application works. However, there are a few features that could be added to increase the user's understanding and completely fulfill their desires. We learned the importance of testing the user interface design, getting user feedback, and meeting users' needs in order to make efficient, useful, and satisfying applications. For me in general, I did learn that taking the time to understand your audience, especially your target audience. We targeted 20-year-olds and 30-year-olds because those basically are in college and they're looking for deals. Just learning how they think and what they desire can actually really influence how the application is designed further. But thank you. This concludes our information brief. Thank you.
Thanks.